Hey guys, welcome back to Marty's Review Channel. Today I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing the Animal Crossing Special Edition Nintendo Switch. Stay tuned. Okay, so today we had received the Nintendo Switch, the Special Edition. This is the Animal Crossing version. So let's just go and unbox this. There is a different version. The other version is the red and black, but this is the Animal Crossing. This one does not come with a game. You will have to purchase the Animal Crossing from Nintendo, or you can go to your local store who sells Nintendo Switch games. You can see the docking station. You've got the pad, you've got the joys, and then you have the actual other switches. So let's go and open the box. I did buy a case to cover the joypad so it won't break, also a screen protector. Here it tells you to plug in, how to set it up, if you need help, where to contact. So here's your little joypads and your little tablet. You get two of these, one green, one blue. There's your left and right switches at the top. Here's your joypad, the tablet. You've got your Type-C charging at the bottom. This does have a kickstand in the back. Behind the kickstand is where you'll put your micro SD card. There's your power port. At the top, this is where you'll insert your game. So at the bottom of the box, this will have your user manual, your health and safety information, you can connect your joypads to this, your little remotes to make it like a regular Nintendo remote. You just slide them in here, your left and right, give you a little better grip. And these also slip on, so if you don't want to use that other remote, you can have slip each one of these in on each side, so you can actually use them separately. Like if you're playing a fighting game, you just connect those into the pads. This does come with an HDMI cable. Here is the power plug adapter. And this is the docking station. It does have the Animal Crossing logo at the top, or more at the bottom. There is your connection port to charge your tablet. And in the back is where you'll connect your wires. It has a little cutout so it doesn't affect the cables. You have your AC adapter, your USB, your HDMI out. So when you connect those, you just close it up and put it right into this cutout and it won't affect the cables. Right here on the side, you have another USB plug-in. You got two of them. And here's the little tablet. You have a little vent at the top. you have your power button, your volume up and down. Right here to your right hand side, this is where you'll put your game card and headphone jack. And this is where you'll set your controls on each side. At the bottom, your Type-C charging cable. And if you make yourself all the way to the back of the tablet, right here you'll just kick up the kickstand. And right under the kickstand, you'll have your SD card slot for your memory card. Just lift this up. This takes a micro SD card. You'll just click it in there. And once you get the SD card in, you can go ahead and put the kickstand down. You've got your speakers right here at the back. This got a matte finish on the back. So I'm going to power it on. And right here it says the Nintendo Switch. It gives you the clicking sound. Tells you how to insert the controls. So I did pick up a case for this Nintendo Switch. This is the same color as the Animal Crossing by Yugo. So it covers the back of the Nintendo Switch and also the joypads. And it has the little the buttons, the case covers for the buttons. So if you're interested in these case protectors, I will link that in the description. Also in the Nintendo Switch. This has been the review of the Nintendo Switch. This is the Animal Crossing Special Edition. If you're interested in purchasing this, I will link all the details in the description. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Go ahead and hit that little notification button so you get notified every time I upload a video. Thanks for watching.